Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Dear students, today we will learn primary mathematics of grade 1, second edition. In mathematics, we will learn chapter number 10, lesson number 1, and the topic is numbers to 40. Dear students, in previous chapters you have read about numbers to 20 and today we will learn about numbers to 40. Look at here dear students, you can see here a picture and the picture is asking something from us. How many steps are there? Counting to 40 in focus. Let's start counting all the steps from end to end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And you can also see here that 23 steps are all together. As you can see here, the steps are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 10. Then again starting from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There are 23 steps altogether. Let's learn. Number 1, we can use cubes to make tens and count. Here you can see that there are many cubes and we have to make tens and then count. Here you can see that 10 and 10 makes 20 and count on from 20. After making tens, we have 3 cubes as you can see here. Then we will count them all together. 20 and 3 makes 23. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. 21, 22, 23. Number 2, how many beads are there? Dear students, as you can see here, there are 3 bracelets and in each bracelet there are 10 beads and these 3 bracelets are showing the tens value, and other than that we have some other beads and which shows the ones value, and when we count them 10 plus 10 plus 10 30, and when we count them the ones place beads we will count them 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 30 plus 10, 40. There are 40 beads altogether. Now it's an activity time and here you can see that we have many blocks present here and we have divided them into two parts, tens and ones. Okay, you can see here there are two groups of these blocks on tens place and in each group there are 10 blocks. So let's start counting. 10 plus 10, 20 and plus 1 which is placed on ones place. It will make 21 and 20 on tens place and 1 on ones place. 20 plus 1 makes 21. Practice. Number 1. Count in tens and ones. As you can see here, there are 4 groups of flowers. The first 3 groups shows the tens and the last one shows ones. And we have to count in tens and ones in total. Okay. As we know that the pink flowers are 10 in number. Let's start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same as for green and yellow. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The purple flowers are 7 in color, and 30 and 7 make 37. 30 plus 7 is equal to 37. Number 2. Count in tens and ones match. First of all, we have to count in tens and ones, then we'll match with the correct number. Okay. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 and 1, 31. We will match it with 31. 10 plus 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. We'll match with 27. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 40 plus 0 is equal to 40. We will match it with 40. In focus. How many dots are there? Can you write the number in words? Yes, we can write. First of all, we will count the dots. As you can see here, there are 3 cards, and in each card there are 10 dots. 10 plus 10, and in the end we have 2 dots. 10 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 22, and we will write 22 here. Let's learn. Number 1. First we will count the dots present in 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The total number of dots are 21. We will write 21 in numbers and also in words. Then we will count the next dots and we'll write them in words and also in numbers. And the total dots present here are 22. We will write 22 in numbers and also in words. Same as for 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Number 2. We can write numbers in words. Yes, we can write numbers in words. First of all, we will count in numbers, and we know that 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30, plus 1, 31, plus 1, 32. 30 plus 31, 32. And we will write them in words. THIRTY 30, THIRTY 30, ONE1 31, THIRTY 30, TWO2 32. There are 32 cubes altogether. Number 3. How many blocks are there? As we can see here, there are 4 boxes, and in each box there are 10 cubes. Then we will count them all together. 10 plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 10, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 40 cubes altogether. Let's practice. Number 1. Count in tens and ones. Match the picture with the number in words. And first of all, we will count the numbers in tens and ones. Then we will match the picture with the words. Okay. Let's start counting. 10 plus 10, 20, plus 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 10 plus 3 means 23. 20 plus 3, 23. We will match it with 23. Number 2. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 40. We will match it with 40. Number 3. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 6, 36. We will match it with 36. Number 2. Write in numerals or in words. Words and numerals. 27. We have to write 27 in numbers. 27. 40. We have to write 40 in numbers. 40. Okay, here we have a number 24 and we have to write it in words. 24. TWENTY. 20. FOUR 4. Here we have 38 in numbers and we have to write it in words. 38. 38. THIRTY 30. EIGHT 8. 38. Now we will learn lesson number 2, place value. Place value tells us the value of any number, and from place value we can find the value of the number. Like we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and many more. Let's see here. In focus. Count the chocolates, how many tens and how many ones are there. First of all, we will count the chocolates and then the number of tens and ones. Okay, let's start counting. As you can see here, there are 3 boxes of chocolates and in each box there are 10 chocolates. It means that 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, 31, 32. There are 32 chocolates. The number 3 and 2 in 32 are called digits. The number 3 and 2 in 32 are called digits. What does the digit 3 in 32 stands for and what does the digit 2 in 32 stands for? To know the values of both digits 3 and 2, we will do an activity. So let's start an activity. Dear students, as you know that there are 32 chocolates and they are asking us that what does the digit 3 in 32 stand for? As you can see here, 3 is on tens place. 3 is on tens place. So 3 stands for tens. Then they are asking that what does the digit 2 in 32 stands for? The digit 2 is placed on ones place. 2 is placed on ones place. So 2 stands for ones. Let's learn. We can use blocks to show 32 in tens and ones. As you can see here, there are many blocks and we have divided them into 2 groups in tens and ones. On tens place, there are 30 blocks. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. And on ones place, there are 2 blocks. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 32 is 3 tens and 2 ones as you can see here, and 32 is equal to 30 plus 2. Okay, now we will see the place value of 32. 3 is on tens place and 2 is on ones place. This is a place value chart. Okay, dear students, here you can see that there is a number 24 and we have to show the place value of 24 by using these blocks. Here you can see that we have many blocks and we have divided them into 2 groups in tens and ones, and in tens we have 2 groups or 2 sets of blocks and in each group there are 10 blocks, and we have some other blocks in ones place and they are 4 in number. Then when we count them all together, they will be 24. And first of all, we will count the tens blocks, the blocks which are on tens place, and they are 10 plus 10, 20, plus 4 on ones place, 24. 20 plus 4 is equal to 24, and the place value of 24 is 20 on tens place and 4 is on ones place. Let's practice. Count in tens and ones. Number 1. As you can see here, there are two groups of blocks. The one shows the tens value and the second shows the ones value. First of all, we will count them all together. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 plus 7, 27. Okay, now we will see the place value of these blocks. 7 is on ones place and 2 is on tens place. 27 is equal to 2 tens and 7 ones. 27 is equal to 20 plus 7. Number 2. Here you can see that there are many blocks present here, and we have divided them into two groups, tens and ones. And when we will count them, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 30 plus 8, 38. The blocks are 38 in number, and on the place value chart, we will see that 3 is on tens place and 8 is on ones place. 38 is equal to 3 tens, as you can see here, 3 tens, and 8 ones, 8 ones, as you can see here. 38 is equal to 30 plus 8. 38 is equal to 30 plus 8. That's all, dear students. Hope you understand today's lecture. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Allah Hafiz.